How to create a 3D animated section with mouse parallax effect in Wix. The first things first, just choosing your section that you want to add it into. And then click onto this inspector in order to add an animated or animation for that section. For this one, let's choosing here scroll and click onto this add. And then you can choose in here an animation type. It can be in or out. So we can also click onto this hover option and then just choosing here the particular animation for that actual section. Now that we have added some animation into the section itself, let's add some mouse parallax effect. Just head over and click onto the actual text that has been added onto that section. And then from in there, we can see the mouse effects. And then from in there, just head over and click onto this add option. Click onto this add. And then from in there, we can see in here some options. So we have the track 3D that we have. We also have skew 3D. So just choose which particular effect you want. So if you want the parallax, it's actually available onto the images option. So you can head over and then just choose which one you want to add to that. So that's how you create 3D animated section with mouse parallax effect on Wix. Hope you help.